Is it possible to cure physical, mental, or emotional health issues with PSYCH-K? PSYCH-K is not a substitute for professional medical treatment. It is rather a good complement to it. The PSYCH-K approach is aimed at reprogramming any limiting subconscious perceptions or beliefs you have that may be related to a physical, mental, or emotional condition, what the medical world calls illnesses. These perceptions or beliefs are usually acquired early in life and often persist into adulthood, below the level of consciousness. There is a scientifically well-established biological interaction between the mind and the body, and this is where PSYCH-K can help. In PSYCH-K, a health condition is not addressed as a doctor would, using diagnosis and a treatment program. In other words, PSYCH-K does not diagnose or treat diseases. However, by using PSYCH-K, you can change the subconscious beliefs that may be influencing your mental, emotional, and physical health and well-being. In many cases, a condition improves dramatically just by applying the PSYCH-K processes. Although it is not possible to guarantee a specific result, since it depends largely on the individual and the particular condition, PSYCH-K has more than 35 years of history supporting people to achieve a satisfying and happy life on a mental level, emotional, physical, and spiritual. If the person is ready to move forward in their life, co-creating a new state of well-being, they can learn how to do this by attending a PSYCH-K basic workshop in person or a PSYCH-K online workshop, or they can schedule a private session with a facilitator. Private sessions can be held face-to-face or long distance via phone or video conference.